Today we talk about changing our bias in order to make money and capitalize on big market moves. Let's get into it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to day 28 on the road to 20 PA accounts, where I attempt to get 20 PA accounts with my prop trading firm and get paid out on all 20 of them. Today we went 1-0. One winning trade on the day. It was a relatively slow day on the markets. If we have a look at the daily, you can tell the bar is only about, what we got, 515, about 20 points big. So just pretty much a range day. A little bit more on the bullish side, but when we look on the 2000 tick chart, you can see pretty much in a range all day. Did have some bullish imbalance in the beginning, and it did break out a little bit, but then it just congested and consolidated again. And not a whole bunch, to be honest, but we did get one winning trade right here, and I will swing it over to the live trade right now. All right, guys, gonna take my first trade of the day. If this signal bar forms well, we got 1225, 1025. Let me get into this trade, and then I will let you guys know why I'm taking it. Come on, tick back one. Come on. Let us get filled.
Order filled.
Alright, and we are filled. Again, what I was looking at is we had a uptrend working higher, we had a break, new extreme, and then a little bit of consolidation, and then we had two legs to a new extreme, which means the uptrend has played out. And then we have a first entry long, pullback, second entry long, failure, push below EMA, retest of the EMA, lower high, good signal bar, and this shortened downtrend means new extreme right here. So let's see if we can get the scalp real quick. There we go, and we are filled. Again, what we were looking at was this uptrend working higher. We had a break, uptrend played out with a push to a new extreme, a little bit of consolidation right here, and then we had another leg up. And usually after a uptrend gets two legs to a new extreme, it is played out. You can expect correction or reversal after that. And then we came from this high. We had first entry long, pull back, second entry long. Now this second entry long was really important because this second entry long would have taken off if this uptrend was still in play, because we did have a larger uptrend, something like we could draw something like, what am I trying to do? Sorry. Something like this could be drawn, which looks pretty good, but again, this second entry long would have taken off this EMA and trend line. Instead, it pushes through both of these support points. Both of these key entry points get blown right through by this failed second entry long, which can tell us that that isn't a valid trend line. It shouldn't be drawn, so I erased it and then played the original uptrend played out and looked for the reversal pattern, and it seemed to get the scalp for us. Let's see if we can get a runner on top of that. Very commonly you get a bounce off the open of day, so yep, just like that on cue. So we could get some pullback right here, just like that. Hopefully the EMA holds and we get a further push down. I'm trying to protect my stop loss with the EMA and the trend line, so we'll see how it works out. Also, there is some support forming right here, something like this. So our runner might be in trouble, but not before we get the scalp. Yeah, something like that. So there is heavy support right here. We have the trading range support and the open of day support. So it's going to be hard to break through that. But if we do break through it, we can go for a while. So let's see what happens.
Stop filled.
And our runner got stopped out. Again, we found support right here, so it looks like we are in more of a trading range. But even when we do draw the trading range structure, we can see that our initial setup was perfectly off the top. So adds even more credibility to our setup. But anyways, I will start the video when we get our next trade. And that was our one and only live trade for today. As you can tell, I did have a larger uptrend drawn in the beginning that I had to adapt to and delete and change my bias before I took my one and only winning trade for the day. That happens a lot in trading. You will be forced to have conflicting thoughts with yourself, and especially if you really want to believe you're right, some people have a hard time adjusting to what the market is telling them, and they end up trapping themselves and losing a lot of money. So for instance, if I was stubborn and didn't want to erase that uptrend that I had drawn, and I attempted to go long over the big green bar that was right before the trade we took, we definitely would have got trapped. We would have lost money and it would have been bad. Instead, we adjusted, we adapted, and we saw the trap incoming. We got on the right side of the market and trapped all the traders that were going the opposite way of us and rode their stop orders to profits. And that is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the new intro. I worked on it a little bit over the weekend, and I'm always looking for ways to make the videos better and improve this channel. Again, if you guys like the video series, make sure to like and subscribe. Helps me out a whole bunch, and feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys are thinking. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow with some more trades. You guys have a great rest of your day, and good luck with the trading.